Transform your body in just 4 weeks with these 5 simple exercises. Eating healthy and being physically active make you happy. There's nothing better than healthy habits. We give you 5 simple exercises, and this go along with your diet. You'll notice major improvement within a month. You won't lose weight like crazy, but you will sure get closer to the body of your dreams. 1. Plank. It's one of the most effective, and yet most underrated exercises ever. This static exercise will give you those ripped abs, and tough shoulders. Take a push-up position on the ground, and bend your elbows at 90 degrees. Set your body in a straight line, and support it with your elbows, forefeet, and forearms. Hold in this position as much as you can, and make sure you don't move your butt and waist at all. 2. Push-ups. These will push up your body, as they involve every muscle in your body. Set your body in a plank position, and push your body up using your hands. Set your back, butt, and legs in a straight line. Do several repetitions. 3. Squats. These will strengthen your core, stimulate a healthy fat-burning process, and build strong quads, calves, and hams. Set your body in the initial squat position. Stretch your arms forward, and start off. Do it slowly. Make sure your face is faced forward, and your spine straight. Get as lower as you can. Your hips should be in a parallel line to the ground, but don't force yourself if you're unable to do this. 4. Bird dog. Set your body in a plank position, and support your body on your hands and knees. Stretch one leg and one arm, on the opposite side, of course. Your body should be balanced and straight. Hold in this position for a few seconds. Switch arm/leg. The bird dog exercise strengthens your lower back and abs. 5. Lying hip raises. These will strengthen your hamstrings and glute muscles, thighs, back and abs. Lie flat on the ground, bend your knees, and set your feet on the floor. Stretch your arms towards the outside at a 45-degree angle. Squeeze your glute muscles, and raise your hips. Do several repetitions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.